be running to the next spot. You could be closer to the finish than you ever were before the start. But stop running, begin where you are and carry all the pain that keeps you burning. Carry it away from your heart, carry it to me and I will take it apart, break it apart. Every little thing that comes between us doesn't really matter anymore. So stop running, begin where you are. Come back, oh 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 encore. Trouble isn't over and I'm good to have it. Trouble is forever at my feet. Come a little closer so that I can grab it. Give it to me, give it to me. Oh, every little thing that could divide us doesn't really matter, cause I just don't care. So stop running, come here somewhere. Come back, oh 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 come, okay, come, oh come back, oh you could be standing on the wrong side, or you could be living a holy life, yeah. Or you could be bending over backwards just to see where. Come back, oh 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 come back, okay, come back, oh come back, oh encore. Thanks, sir.
That's Mel Wallace, Bird.